Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, just pull the heads off of 5.7 Hemi 1500 truck. Okay, as you can see, I have a misfire cylinder 8. You can tell by our spark plug and the excessive fuel that this is a lot darker than all the rest of the cylinders. I'm attempting to change the camshaft. And of course, I'm doing a head gasket job, and you can see the difference already. And then I'm going to change the lifters on it, and we'll see how that lifter look in a minute. Stay tuned for more videos to follow.